That's it, Jared, mate.
See, mate. Hold him down.
Slowly get back up with him. Bring him up with you.
Hold that head, Jared. Hold that head. Good, Jared.
That's it, Jared, mate. Keep him up. Use your reach, mate. Use your reach. Use your reach. Keep him up. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like it. Make him work for it. Make him work for it. Don't stop. Don't stand in front of him. That's it. Get him on the back foot now. Get him on the back foot. That's it. Keep going, mate. Keep going. Give it to him. Yes, that's it.
Push those combos,
Go first, Ryan. Go first. Go first. Don't wait. Go first. Now.
Come on, Jared. Get in there, mate. Get in there.
Yes, that's it, Jared. That's it, mates. Beautiful. Beautiful. Stand up with him. Mark, keep him there. Keep him there. Get on top. Get him out. Get him out.
Working, mate. Working. Yeah.
Hold him there, mate. Use your strength now. Use your weight. Go along left. Go along left.